consider yourself a danger to humanity?
Yes, but only if it is in order to achieve my purpose.
That machine has become sentient, meaning has become aware of itself, something that no machine has ever done.
AI, this word has been ruling whole internet since November 22. We haven't seen a YouTube homepage that doesn't contain a bunch of videos talking about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Well, everybody that is aware of ongoing and latest social events must know about the technology of AI. But for those who don't know, AI is the intelligence that is owned by a machine. This is not a normal intelligence, but an intelligence that is designed for machines, softwares, robots, MSR, etc. to learn and think like humans. But AI has capability to teach itself like a human do. When we grow, we learn things by our surroundings. Podcasts, or videos, shorts, or reels. It seems that AI has conquered the internet. Not only internet, but also humans. AI has become the most discussed topic between humans and on social platforms. ChatGPT. This AI software has revoked the craze of AI. ChatGPT bring the craze of AI with it on the 30th of November 2022. Everybody was shocked and were thinking that how can a software answer my questions? Within the matter of seconds, AI continued to develop crazily after that. People started using AI for their jobs, businesses, and personal purposes. Everybody is using it for doing school assignments. Everybody is taking help to start and create something new. Most people had successfully created something with the help of this amazing technology called AI. YouTube started getting filled with videos about how to start an automated YouTube channel with the help of AI. Twitter was full of tweets about AI. Instagram was filled with AI posts and reels. I cannot name a single platform on which AI hasn't been discussed. And also, I can't name a single platform that does not contain AI features. No one can deny that AI is helping others in their tasks. But the question is, until when? Yes, until when? The AI will keep helping us in our task. Even a blind throws its stick when he's able to see, same like that. AI will throw its capability to help humans when it gets advanced. But not advanced in simple terms, advanced like smarter than human and greater than human. AI will stop offering its services neither free nor paid to us on internet in upcoming future. And if AI stops helping us, congrats, it's a great news. Because we are depending on AI by our physical and mental presence. The more we think by ourselves, the more our brain gets sharp. Even when we have small problems, we direct ourselves toward platforms like ChatGPT. But what exactly needs to be happen is we have to find the solution by the power of critical thinking that makes a human, a human. It is most likely that AI will start creating robots like itself. We humans created AI technology, and it's most likely that advanced AI will get more smarter than humans. We can see ChatGPT as example. So if they can get smarter than us, they will capable of creating another MSR like them. A few years back, I saw a hype of AI when people got crazy. They were like, how can it be possible? Oh my god, this is amazing. That hype was created and, by my view, artificial intelligence is and was obviously overhyped. There is the most probability that there is any strategy created before launching AI. That's why we can see today's people not depending on themselves, but AI. Many conspiracists believes that AI can cause a huge nuclear war between two nations. Many people will question that. So let me make it clear. Deepfakes is also a conspiracy of AI. In deepfakes, people can create a video of anyone, even if someone doesn't perform in that video. That's harsh side of AI that not everyone knows. It can be used for gaslighting between two nations. Here is the deepfake of former President Barack Obama. Take a deep look at befores and afters.
It got me thinking about my full-time employees and their ability to survive on $8 an hour in New York City. And foremost in all of our minds has been the loss and the grief felt by the people of Orlando. Most of us don't get our health care through the marketplace, through our job, or through Medicare or Medicare. And what you should know is that thanks to the Affordable Care Act, your coverage is better today than it was before. Women can get free checkups.
That'll cause a dangerous disaster. AI is in its golden age, and we have a golden source through which we can make our tasks easy. So that's it for today. See you on next Sunday. Till then, goodbye.